No maida, no egg, no butter. Super healthy oatmeal crunchy cookies. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Ingredients: 1/4 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 cup oat flour, vanilla essence, 1 cup of oats, 1/4 cup chopped nuts and seeds, half cup powdered sugar, 3 tablespoon coconut milk, a silicone brush, 100 ml refined oil. Let's get started. Seeds in it. Flax seed is optional. I have added to enhance its nutritional value. I have added 5 cashews, 5 almonds, all chopped. I have added 2 tablespoons of choco chips. This is optional, just to enhance the taste. You can skip this. 1 tablespoon of clarified butter. You can use normal butter. As I have claimed, I have used no butter into this, so I have used ghee instead. Grease it with any type of oil, or you can use a butter paper too. Now make small balls out of that dough you made. With all mentioned quantity, I made 24 balls out of it. Flatten these balls with a spatula. Cookies must be kept at a distance or else they will get stick to each other when you will bake it. In 180-degree preheated microwave, bake cookies for 20 minutes. In convection mode, which is 180-degree. Cool them for at least 10 minutes and keep it in an airtight container. Your crispy and healthy oatmeal cookies are ready. Thanks for watching. Bye.